ये HP का मॉनिटर है। इसके पावर सॉकेट में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। इसका पावर सॉकेट में बैरल पिन कनेक्टर है, so it has a loose connection. It keeps blinking and monitor gets turned off. Let's see what is the problem exactly. See, this LED indicator keeps blinking and monitor gets turned off. See, this is the problem. Now what we will do, instead of going to service station, we will try to fix it at home. Let's see how it goes. इस मॉनिटर को हम अभी डिसअसेंबल करेंगे. After observing, I understood that we should remove this stand first. So let's see how to remove its stand. Here is a lock. We need to press this lock and lift the stand. This is how the stand gets out. It's a press fitting. So press this lock and lift the stand. Here is a barrel pin connector. So motherboard must be here somewhere. That's why we need to remove this panel, whole panel. After removing this panel, we will be able to reach to this motherboard. So let's see. Remove these screws first. To remove this panel, we will start from this corner, or this, or you maybe start from this corner or this corner. Let's start with this corner. Be careful with screwdriver. Do not try to penetrate too much, otherwise the cables inside will get damaged. So these are printed cables. These are connectors. These are connected to motherboards. So be careful while handling it. Do not put too much pressure. Do not pull those cables. We'll try to figure out which cable. I think we should remove these cables and this cable. This. So let's start from here to remove. So we will remove this cable by pulling this lock. See, you have to pull this lock like this. See, this is locked. Now this is unlock. Now you can pull this cable out. Try to remember this blue part is upper side. The upper side. Now we will try to remove these two cables. I think yes. So see, these are also similar pins like this. We will just pull this, the cable will come. This color part must be on upper side while connecting. See, this blue side must be on upper side. Okay, now all the cables are removed. So we will remove this screw now, these 4 screws, so that this whole unit will be separated from this monitor, so we can conveniently work on this. So let's start removing this. Okay, so we have pulled out this unit. This is the motherboard, and here is their barrel pin. We can see this, it's very loose. I will try to solder this part. Now we will give power supply to this board. See, I am holding this, and when I released it, see that LED indicator is turned off. Now I will press it. See, it's turned on now, and if I release it, it gets turned off. So we will solve now with this. So I have this 10-watt gun. I tried with this. See, this is already heated. It's heated already, and I tried with this. So this 10-watt solder gun is unable to melt this solder. See this, can't melt this with this. So I bought one 60-watt gun. Now we'll give power supply to this gun, and let's see how much time it takes. So I have connected this to a power socket. Now let's see how much time it takes. Now this is a Bharti solder from Bharti. I will be using this Bharti solder. It is not properly heated. Okay, so it's ready. Now let's see how this performs. I will hold this pin. Now let's see. Let's keep it on a stand. Let's see by giving it power supply. No, so it's still not. Okay, so let's try again. तो ये रिपेयर हो गया है, इसको प्रॉपरली सोल्डर किया। ये सोल्डर करने के बाद इसको क्लीनिंग करेंगे उसको अभी, लेकिन ये हो गया है फिक्स। मतलब ये देखो, एलईडी बंद नहीं हो रहा है, इसका मतलब ये रिपेयर हो चुका है। तो ये गन से हमने वी वर एबल टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम विद दिस गन। इसको अब हम क्लीन करेंगे आइसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहल, कॉटन और ब्रश यूज करके। इसे अब हम असेंबल करेंगे और देखेंगे कि ये प्रॉपरली वर्क कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है। सो फाइनली ये मॉनिटर अभी रिपेयर हो गया है। एक छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम था, तो सर्विस स्टेशन जाना अवॉइड किया और इसको हमने घर पर ही ठीक किया। थैंक यू।